4 must-know secrets for getting in touch with your guardian angel. With all the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to start to believe that we're walking through this life alone. The truth is, all of us have someone watching over us, we just don't always see them or hear them. They go by many names depending upon your spiritual preferences, but most of us know them as guardian angels. Wondering how you can get in touch with your own guardian angel? Read on to find out. 1. Reach out to your guardian angel. Guardian angels are in touch with your needs, but they don't know all of your desires. Before you seek out your guardian angel, it's important to take some time for introspection to determine why you want to contact them and what you need their help with. For example, if you're unhappy at work and are seeking guidance, spend some time meditating on which elements of your job are making you unhappy. This will help you focus on the answers you're seeking and maybe even help you learn a little bit more about yourself. 2. Learn to listen. The next step in connecting with your guardian angel is learning how to listen. The best way to do this is through meditation. Meditation helps you push out the thoughts that would otherwise drown out your angel's answer. Focus on the help you need when you meditate and listen for your angel's answer. Maybe it's a physical sensation or an emotional release. Their answer can come in many forms, you just have to listen for it. 3. Ask for a sign. You may or may not be able to see your guardian angel when you reach out to them. Instead, they may be more subtle in the way they communicate with you. Many do this through signs. When you have your focused list of questions for your guardian angel, consider asking for a sign. For example, if you are thinking about making a change in your love life, ask your guardian angel for a sign that the decision you want to make is the right one. Once you ask, keep an eye out for their answer. 4. Express gratitude. If you really want to hone in on your connection to your guardian angel, then it's important for you to express gratitude for the help and guidance they have given you in the past. Not only is practicing gratitude a good thing to do in your daily life, but it'll help your guardian angel know that you appreciate their help and make them more amenable to helping you in the future. Connecting to your guardian angel is easier than you think. Getting in touch with your guardian angel isn't a complicated task, but it isn't going to work like a phone call. Be sure to focus on the specific questions or help you want from your guardian angel and then reach out to ask for it. From there, listen for their guidance or watch for a sign, and don't forget to express your gratitude when they connect with you. Do you need help embracing your spirituality? We're here to help you. Check out the rest of our blog for everything you need to know to grow your religion or spirituality.